Good evening to all. Welcome to the YouTube channel for soft skill development and HRM knowledge. So, first of all, I'd like to thank you all for subscribing this channel and believing in this channel to gain your knowledge. I'd like to tell that this channel will focus on few topics that is required for your developing your soft skills and deeper knowledge on the HRM like the International Human Resource Management, labor laws and how to memorize and keep the labor laws informations. Hope this channel will be able to guide you in a better way and gain some knowledge. First of all, I would like to start with an introduction. So, what is soft skills? We have very well heard about soft skills in all our life. Throughout schools, colleges and in our careers, we will be all focusing on developing our soft skills. Be it in a school, college or office, we will be always given a training to develop our soft skills. So, what is actually the soft skill is? So, we shouldn't go by any definition and all. This is just a simple way of understanding soft skills. Soft skills are those skills which is needed to develop yourself in a better way rather gaining only the technical knowledge that is involved in your academic or whatever technique skills that is needed to perform a job. You need a particular skill to excel in it. Be it a student, you need a soft skills to excel in a way, and be it in a career prospect, you need the soft skills to excel in your career prospects. So soft skills are nothing but life skills also. I will just consider it to be life skills also. So wow, that is not only in your career or academic way. It will be very well able to guide you to be a better person in your life, to drive away your fear of public speaking, to drive away your fear of career knowledge, to drive away your fear of approaching a company or drive away your fear of doing on performing a job. So this channel is not going to be any classroom based or lecture based section. This is just going to show some presentation wise. I'm going to show some images, and moreover I'll be only talking about developing those skills. So this is not going to be any lecture wise. I'm not going to give away key points. Of course, few key points for developing those skills, how to memorize and all will be there. But this is not going to be just a classroom based or lecture based soft skills knowledge. So moreover, by listening to this, you have to keep on practicing all those skills that will be able to make you a skillful person. Like, not only listening and getting trained in soft skills is important. According to me and my perceptions, soft skills are those that is developed by practicing only. So you have to just keep on practicing to be a better communicative person, to be a better public speaking person, to write a better email. You have to keep writing email in all the way that is needed. So I'll just, like I mentioned, these topics, what all I'm going to focus is that communication, email etiquette, how you have to write an agenda or memo, what are the business communication way, how you have to write a business email, how you have to communicate, how you have to how you have to communicate, how you have to presentation. That is, all this is going to come under the soft skills. So let us just think you will be able to gain a better knowledge and be a better person. And just I am going to show just the picture of what is going to be developed. That is, you are going to be a better person, communicate better, achieve something, and just we will believe that we will be practicing all these skills and write everything, practice everything and be a better person. Thanks for listening to this. In future days we are going to see the lectures that is going to show you some knowledge on the skills. If you have any other topics that is to be covered, you can very well post a comment on this and we will just focus on those topics also. Thank you for listening to this. Please subscribe, like, share and do keep supporting by telling your friends, your family members or whoever you like to listen to this channel. So keep supporting, like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you for listening.